Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, here I will tell you from the film that I watched, namely Pathology. Okay, we'll go straight to the story, guys. Okay, Pathology tell the story of a young doctor named Ted Gray. Luckily for Ted, he is handsome, smart, and has no questionable for ethics. To add to the presence of his beautiful fiancée Gwen, that life is complete. His life began to change when he started working at a well-known hospital as a pathology. A little bit less familiar with the word pathology, but from the pictures presented in the film, a pathology worked to mess up corpses to find out the cause of his death in his new workplace. This brilliance gets a negative response from Jack Gallo and his brave and talented colleagues, both saying the talent that exists. They began to accept that with a Christian motive. Okay, that was provoked by curiosity about the group of young doctors was finally tempted to enter. Next, it is dragged into a dangerous game that is terrible that disturbs his morale. Pathology tells the story of a young doctor named Ted Gray. Luckily for Ted, he is handsome, smart, and has no questionable work ethic. To add to the presence of his beautiful fiancée Gwen, Ted's life is complete. His life began to change when he started working at a well-known hospital as a pathologist. A little bit less familiar with the word pathology, but from the pictures presented in the film, a pathology worked to mess up the corpus to find out the cause of his death. At his new workplace, Ted Williams gets a negative response from Jack Gallo and his brave, talented colleagues. But seeing the talent that exists, they begin to accept it with a Christian movie. One by one, the members of the group are obligated to commit a complete murder to be analyzed by the other member. What a crazy game only those who are smart with a weak moral foundation can play. Tidwell started to realize what he had done. Decided to leave. This when that Tid had to be swept aside and become the perfect assassination target. Tidwell was not. Stupid could have guessed this before they got rid of them. Ted had already made step to destroy them. That was successfully, but is the problem resolved? Not yet, because there is one person who managed no escape, which makes Gwen so threatened. Watching pathology, we have to get ready mentally to see what is presented on the screen. The human body that was cut by a knife, the gushing blood, the head that was pierced by a sharp object, the neck that was cut by a sharp knife, the stomach which was stabbed by a sharp object, until the internal organs were sliced or thrown become a sickening spectacle that was displayed simultaneously by filmmaker Mark Scrollermount. What a treat that is from aesthetic value. And finally, one of the survivors of that deed, directly killing Ted's fins. Just a suggestion kept this film away from those who are sick, considering the money received that can be used for a perfect murder. There is one dialogue that disturbs our conscience, and that dialogue has been repeated several times, namely where an animal, which is the basic for crazy behavior. This crazy doctor, we are indeed a nation of mammals, but we are human beings who are endowed with a reason and taste. Therefore, every action must be based on strong motives, not being able to play games, because sometimes playing can be very dangerous. And if there is an advantage, use it to make other people live better, not disease. Okay, next. Vocabulary. Number 1, H, sakit. 2, endemic, penyebaran penyakit di daerah tertentu. 3, epilepsi, kejang-kejang atau ayan. Flu, influenza atau flu. Food poisoning, keracunan. Gangrene, kematian sel sebagian. 7, hipotermia, kedinginan ekstrim. 8, arrhythmia, detak jantung tidak beraturan. 9, bipolar disorder, gangguan mental. 10, bleeding, pendarahan. 11, anxiety, gangguan kecemasan. 12, cardiac arrest, henti jantung. 30, chill, kedinginan. 40, convulsion, kejang-kejang. 50, depresi. 60, disability, kecacatan. 70, hemophilia, darah tidak bisa membeku. 18, heart attack, serangan jantung. 19, heart disease, gagal jantung. 20, heart defect, kelainan jantung. 21, high blood pressure, tekanan darah tinggi. 22, seizure, sesak napas. 23, syncope, pingsan. 24, tremor, gemetar tidak terkendali. 25, antidote, obat penangkal. 26, blood bag, kantong darah. 27, defibrillator, alat kejut jantung. 28, Doppler, alat scan jantung. 29, endoscope, alat rekam organ dalam. 30, heart-lung machine, mesin sirkulasi jantung paru-paru. Thank you.